For today's meeting, we need to discuss the filming for the Uncle Orange commercial. The items we need to consider include the style and location, the character, and the necessary materials for the shoot.
I think sitting on a beach chair with the orange juice would represent a popular activity of a relaxing holiday.
That's a fine idea. The beach is a good choice, as there is no time restriction and no cost.
A relaxing holiday implies that it should be a sunny day. We should also show an actress taking a cruiser to a beautiful beach to offer a better view of the location.
That means in addition to setting up on a beach, we would need to rent a cruiser, select an actress and arrange a film crew for the shoot.
That's right. The top model, Kaka, has already been specified by the advertiser to be used for this commercial.
She is so expensive. I have heard that she is paid by the hour, and an hour costs several $1,000s. It is often difficult to control the time needed for filming. Is there a better approach we can take to managing the filming time cost problem?
We could use the piece rate. No matter how much time is worked, the same amount of wage would be paid for performing in the commercial.
I see. I can discuss this with the casting agency to see if we can use piece rate to hire Kaka for this job. Can you identify the factors of production involved in the creation of a commercial filmed for broadcast? What wage payment schemes have been mentioned in the discussion? Do you know any other schemes besides these?